Guess what? We are going to the streets today. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, ik heiße Maureen. My name is Maureen. It's the YouTube babe right here. And all you need for this particular style is number one, a bandana. Bandana, square bandana. And as we dive into that, drum rolls, I really appreciate it. If you like this video, you can always share us out there. Just tell someone about this channel. Tell them, you know what, there is this girl MS Maureen on YouTube. Anyways, you can always talk to me in the comment section. Tell me, what look are you going for? Is this your vibe, and how you will be feeling by the end of it all? Okay, also make sure that you do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any upcoming tutorials. Drum rolls again. So the most basic thing, as I stated, is a bandana. Here is mine. You can always have some sunglasses. I don't think these ones are the best, but where are the others? But anyway, this is what we'll be using, but it's not a must. Okay, these are just others. You can also have a cap, and it's not a must. And also you can have a hoodie. My hoodie is on the other side. So now that you have everything that you need, let's dive into it. If you have hair, it's a good thing to always place it towards the back for an easier, an easy time. So with my hair all the way at the back like that, I'm gonna use these. Remember, you can also use a flat surface or just do it on air like this. You pick it like this, and then the inner side should be facing towards the front side, and my knee is shutting down. As I've decided, let me just come with my hoodie, as we have resolved the issue with the whatever shutting down. So there goes my hoodie. Okay, so you pick your bandana like this, ensure that the inner side is facing towards the front side, okay, to wherever you're facing. And so then pick one side like this and then place it towards this way. Okay, so there are different sizes. You can always choose to have it in this size like that, and if you want it to be in a smaller size, there are two ways in which you can do that, and I'll also show you the manner in which you can do it. Okay, if you want it to be in a larger size. Okay, so if you want it to be smaller, you can always make another fold like that, and then beautifully you have something like that. Isn't that amazing? Or you can do this from the very beginning, whereby once you have it like this, you tilt, and then this tape, make sure it doesn't touch this other tape. Okay, you just let it be up to that point, that side, right? Amazing, right? Yeah. Did I mention you need a mirror? Here is my tiny mirror, but I'm not using that mirror. I'm using the one at the front, so I may be looking ahead of the camera like this a little bit. So you also need a mirror to see whatever you are doing. So if you want it to be smaller, you can always do that. Okay, so the other question goes to, what if I want it smaller? If you want it smaller, do this. Pick this side, take it. Oh no, we were doing the smaller part. If I want it larger, okay, whatever. So this tape, you just fold it a little bit, tiny bit like that. No much stress. And mind you, if you're placing it on a flat surface, it's the same thing, by the way. You just place it like this, and then you just bring this tip towards the other side. Now you have something like that. This is the medium size, and I prefer this size, but you want it bigger, you can always do the other way. Where we say the tip doesn't even go anywhere close to the center. And then if you want it smaller, when you've done that way, you can always make another fold and have something like that. You see, there's so many ways of killing a rat. What I mean is, there's so many ways of achieving that look that you want. So make sure that you do like this video, shares out there. You can always talk to me in the comment section, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because if it's happening, I know all about it. And if I know, oh my god, is it? Make sure that you do subscribe so that you don't miss out on any upcoming tutorials. So basically, we have it to, I want us to use the medium size. That is the medium size. So what do? The next thing you do is just Now make it to place it onto your face, onto your nose, like that, easy. And then after placing it there, make a knot at the back. Okay. You can make one knot, or to avoid it being loose or coming off, you can always make 2 knots. And then you have something like that, easy, right? And make a fold here down if it's that big. If you don't want it to be seen, you can always tuck in like that. Well, remember, this video is not intended for you to go do bad things, okay? Do not do any bad things out there. Just for so you can come in with your sunglasses. If the darker, the better. The darker, the better. And then you can come in with your cup. Me accusing the cup thingy. You know you're rolling with a gentle girl. No, listen. I'm trying to adjust this to the size of my hair. Hey you, oh you. You can always do that. Let me see if I can get the darker glasses. And let's use this one. Yeah. Well, it's not a must for you to wear your cap like that. You can always wear it the other way around. And mind you, I've not been paid by Betika, but they should pay me. Like that. If you want to have like your hoodie on, I had worn this hoodie yesterday, but it's just here to show you the look. You can have it like that, you see? Tell me in the comment section, what do you think? That way? You see, even without the curve, you can still have something like this and like that. And if you want, you can release the tail that we had hidden. Damn, that's good. Okay, so I want to see with the cape onto the front side how it will come out. So let's do apologize. You can actually, it's not a must by the way, you place it, let me show you. It's not a must. You place the bandana onto your hair. You can actually place it below your hairs, okay? These are always the bonus tip for people who watch the videos to the very end. You can always place it below your hair like that. See? Look at that. Amazing, right? Who's that girl? No 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 no. Tell me why not? Tell me why not? I mean, I did the hoodie. This hoodie was actually a gift. I love gifts. Gifts are my love language. Very nice, right? Tell me in the comment section, what do you think? Huh? And even if you're not to put the cap like that, it's not much to have all these things. But you still got the goal. So talk to me in the comment section, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I love you so much. Tell me, is this your vibe? Was it easy? What do you think? How do you prefer it? With the cap, with the hoodie on, with the glasses, or just like that? Because I told you, you also just even vibe with it just like that. Nothing much, just like that. You always even choose to hold your hair at the back, but you know, it's more giving like that. So check in the description for more videos, and always click here to get more updates. Okay, description, there's a link to more tutorials, bonus link, free for you guys. And here, make sure you also follow me on my socials. That is ms_Maureen on YouTube, on TikTok, ms_Maureen on Instagram. See you on the next one. Who's that girl? Na 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 na.